My baby girl came to say hi to me. Nala. Nala, you want to say hi to everybody? You want to say hi to everybody, Mama? You want to say hi? You want to say hi to everybody? Can I get a kiss? You're looking for Mommy, huh? Big, beautiful girl right here. My big baby. Nala. Can I get a kiss? No kiss? Can I get a hug? No hug? Yeah, that's what I thought. Come here. Come here. You waiting for Mommy? Mommy gets to sit in the back seat, huh? She's ready to go. She's ready to go for a drive. My girlfriend opened the door. I opened the front door. Or this one. She jumped straight in. My baby girl right here. My adopted baby girl right here. Yeah, baby. Oh, I love you too, Mama. Good girl. Road trip. I know, Mama, road trip. We're going to get some malt liquor, and we're going to go on a road trip, aren't we? Yes, we are. Yes, we are, aren't we? What are we drinking today? Cobra? Hurricane? Mickey's? Ooh, Mickey's sound good? I don't have St. Ides out here, unfortunately, baby girl. Or Colt 45 used to be. I guess Mickey's it is, huh, baby? Good at 40 at Mickey's? Italia Mickey's? Atali? Okay. Kiss. Love you too. Mwah. Oh, here we go. Oh, my big baby. Oh, playtime? Hey, big happy girl. She's such a damn good dog, everybody. Oops, it's probably backwards. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy at? I know it's hot, huh, baby? Tell everybody it's 113. It's 113 degrees.